Now, if you're a project leader, a very important tool in the VADRR platform is your citation lifecycle management tool. When you first click in, you're taken to the extraction overview page, but if you click on citation lifestyle management, it's going to take you to this page. Now, what you'll see here is it gives you the status, the current status of every citation that you have included in your project. You can get a breakdown of what percent, and you can see in this project right now, we have a lot of, the majority of our articles are in still screening status. But those that have already moved through abstract screening and full screening are now being extracted and then consolidated, which means we're creating the record of record from the two extractions. Now, let's say I wanted to see real quick, well, which ones are in IEP status, which is the in progress. I can click on any of these little buttons here. It'll automatically do a search. This search table down here is actually something that you can do a lot of work from. Now, let's say I want to clear those results and I wanted to search for, say, a particular article by a particular author. Now, you have the ability to use limit. So I could say author colon and then whatever the author's last name was. So I'll just do that. I'll say author colon and let's say Smith. Okay. Oop, Smith. This guy can't type. All right. And then what will happen? Let me close that. All right. And so it's going to bring up those that, match this. Now, I just happen to have all caps on. That doesn't matter. As you can see, now this gives me the ability to see which these are. I can look at the details on this. Okay. So here, it would give me whatever the screening results were. In this case, this hasn't been screened yet, so I don't have any results. That gives me the citation details as well. Let's say that I knew that this one, I automatically wanted to promote it. Okay, I could select down here, and this is going to allow me to manually change the status of this article. Now, for the most part, I'm not manually changing the status. They automatically change as they move through the process. But let's say I wanted to accept this one. I could select it here, click accept, and then it would change its status and move from unscreened to accepted and automatically move over to full text status. So the lifecycle management tool you can do a lot with. I can also, and let me clear this, I can also select multiple um, citations at once and again do a bulk a bulk action on them. This is also where I will, if I wanted to say, if I had an E&E, which extraction needs, there's a citation that needs extraction, then what I would do is I would search up the E&E and I could then click on extraction. Let's say, and I'm not going to do this actually, but, and then I can assign whoever I want, and I can assign multiple extractors to the make the extractions assignments, okay, by just clicking this. Obviously, I'm not going to do that here. So the citation lifecycle management tool is a great way to use these search features to be able to find whatever article or citation you're particularly wanting to look at.